Canada's economy taking another hit from COVID-19. Air Canada laying off more than 5,000 flight attendants.
The breaking news, Connecticut and Illinois have just told all non-essential workers in the state to simply stay home. California.
This morning, I've declared a state of emergency in the province of Ontario.
We have agreed that both Canada and the United States will temporarily restrict all non-essential travel across the Canada-US border.
Today, I'd like to provide an update to the American people on several decisive new actions we're taking.
We live in a very different world at the moment here, folks, and we need to be doing our part. Let's do our social distancing and let's beat this thing so we can get back to our normal lives, because it's just getting out of hand. I'm getting tired of hearing about it, and I'm sure all of you. So let's have a little fun. Big shout out to everyone that sent in some videos. Awesome work. And I hope this episode of Dirt Church entertains you all.